Welcome to our video on the top 5 thermal cameras. If you're looking for the perfect thermal camera to suit your needs, whether for professional work or DIY projects, you're in the right place. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. MASTFUYI. The MASTFUYI thermal camera is a versatile and reliable tool for any professional or enthusiast looking for top-tier performance. With the ability to detect temperatures across 57,600 points, it offers unmatched accuracy and speed. Whether you're working with electronics, performing electrical inspections, or conducting HVAC diagnostics, this thermal camera ensures rapid fault detection with pinpoint precision. Its rugged build is designed to withstand harsh conditions, with waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant features that make it suitable for a wide range of environments. The handheld design makes it easy to carry around while delivering clear, sharp thermal images. The camera supports a temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, making it versatile for various applications. Additionally, its rechargeable battery ensures that you have continuous use without the worry of frequent charging. If you're looking for a reliable and durable thermal camera, the MASTFUYI is a great choice. Number 4. BSIDE thermal camera. Next on the list is the BSIDE thermal camera, which offers a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels for clear and detailed thermal imaging. This model is perfect for tasks such as PCB repair, pipeline detection, and more. Its wide temperature measurement range of -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, along with an accuracy of ±2 degrees Celsius or plus or -2% of the reading, makes it suitable for both industrial and personal use. One of its standout features is the customizable emissivity, allowing you to adjust the camera to different materials for better accuracy. The camera comes with various color palettes, including white hot, black hot, rainbow, and iron red, to cater to your preferences. Additionally, its 2.4-inch TFT LCD display offers easy viewing, and the built-in memory card allows you to store up to 30,000 images for future analysis. The BSIDE thermal camera is also IP54 rated for protection against dust and water, making it a solid choice for demanding work environments. Number 3. ThermalMaster P2 Pro. Moving on, we have the ThermalMaster P2 Pro thermal camera, a powerful and compact device designed for Android and iPhone users. This thermal camera is perfect for anyone in need of portable, high-quality thermal imaging. With a temperature range of up to 600 degrees Celsius, it provides the versatility needed for tasks ranging from HVAC inspections to troubleshooting electrical issues. The P2 Pro can be easily connected to Android or iOS devices, giving you the convenience of controlling the camera and analyzing the images directly from your phone. Number 2. UNI-T UTI 260M. Let's get to the UNI-T UTI 260M thermal camera, a mini thermal imaging device that connects directly to your smartphone. This innovative thermal camera transforms your Android phone into a professional tool for a variety of applications. It boasts a resolution of 256 by 192 pixels, offering clear thermal imaging for a wide range of uses, including industrial inspections, HVAC troubleshooting, and DIY projects. With a temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius and an accuracy of ±2 degrees Celsius or plus or -2%. Number 1. UNI-T UTI 260B. And at the top of our list is the UNI-T UTI 260B thermal camera, a heavy-duty thermal imager designed for industrial use. This camera features a high-resolution 256 by 192 pixel thermal sensor, offering detailed and accurate thermal images. It has a temperature measurement range of -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for a variety of applications, from electrical maintenance to circuit testing. One of the key features of the UTI 260B is its rugged design. With an IP65 rating and a 2-meter drop test certification, it is built to withstand tough environments. The camera also includes 7 color palettes and 4 display modes, including thermal imaging, thermal fusion, picture-in-picture, and visible light, providing a comprehensive analysis of temperature variations. For precise temperature measurements, the UTI 260B allows you to track up to 3 temperature points, including center point temperature, high/low temperature tracking, and key area temperature measurement. The camera's PC analysis software and real-time image transmission further enhance its functionality, making it an excellent choice for professionals who require high performance and reliability. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.